Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to create a dynamic bar chart using Google Charts. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you one vertical bar chart, and in documentation you can see it's all horizontal bar chart. There is stacked as well. So I just need one basic bar chart. So this one I'm going to use. So just copy this code. So now let me show you view. In view you can see I have just one heading for bar chart. After that, database, you can see I have table category master with 3 entries. Now if I'll show you code, you can see one title is there, Google chart. After that, in I have given one div, that is ID bar chart, and connection with database is done. Now after script, paste the script that I have copied and remove the extra thing, that is HTML head, because I don't need them. I just need the script. Now I need to replace ID in script with my own ID, that is bar chart. So now let's go and check it once in the browser. So refresh. So there you can see our chart is created here and it's horizontal bar chart. So let me just explain you once. So first package is loaded bar package, then callback function, that is draw stuff, is called, and in that you can see data is passed. After that there is option title with Ligand charts. Axis we don't need right now, and you can see bar, it's giving horizontal, so we don't need that. I just want a vertical bar chart. And in a document.get element by ID, so my chart will be drawn in this ID. So now let's go and refresh. Let me just add one more option for height as well in this. So after width, write height, let's say 600 height I'm adding. So now let's go and now check in browser. So refresh. So now you can see height, it's taking 600. So now I'll be starting fetching my data from database. So firstly include DB connection here, and after that I'm going to write a select query. So write select star from category master. So after that execute the query and get all the result in result variable. After that start a while loop and write data equals to MySQL fetch Ashok. So next is we need to format the data that we need to pass in our script. So data is in array format. So create a blank array first. That, let's say category equals to blank array, and inside while loop, firstly start a square bracket, then write data and a separator, that is comma. After that I'm going to need the stock of the category, and after that close the bracket, square bracket. So now let's get the column name from DB. So first one is category name and then category stock is there. So now final step is to display our data in script. So now let's go and take category array and start a for each in script. So comment the dummy data and start one for each in PHP. For each, let's say category as category and echo category. So save and let's go and refresh. So graph is not showing, so there is one error. So in console you can see there is one error for unexpected string, and you can see there is dot in between category name and stock, but there should be comma, so replace that with comma. Now refresh. So you can see our graph is coming, but there is one more problem. You can see 5000 is in second level and 3200 is on the third level. So data is coming right, but bar chart is not drawing properly. And the reason behind that is that category stock is treated as string, but I just need to send as integer. So replace inverted comma from there. Now let's go and refresh our browser. So you can see now it's drawing correct bar chart as 5000 is on the top, and then 3200 is on the second and 400 is on the third. So in this video, I have shown you how to create a dynamic bar chart. So let me know if you want to have another bar chart tutorial where you can see configurations, options, and stack bar chart, horizontal bar chart. So let me know in the comment section if you want video related to that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.